Hello! After watching this video, you will learn about standard and custom objects in Salesforce and the differences between them. ENWAY's in touch. My name is Artemiy and I'm 3x certified admin at ENWAY. We help businesses overcome challenges using Salesforce. Ready, steady, go! In Salesforce, an object is a database table that allows you to store data specific to your organization. Each object represents a particular type of information, such as a customer, product, or lead. So, what are standard objects in Salesforce? Standard objects are the pre-built objects provided by Salesforce, covering the most common business needs. This includes 4 basic Salesforce objects: account, contact, opportunity, and lead. They already come with fields and functionalities that are generally applicable across various industries. Here are 3 main benefits of standard Salesforce objects. 1. They are out-of-box and ready to use from day 1. 2. Salesforce takes care of keeping them up to date, so users don't have to worry about it. 3. You get standard layouts and list views to work with, making things easier for everyone. However, standard objects have some limitations. First of all, there is limited ability to customize and modify objects, fields, and relationships. Secondly, they may not fit an organization's unique business processes and requirements. Ideally, Salesforce recommends using standard objects where possible to take advantage of integration and updates from Salesforce. Custom objects should be created only when unique functionality is required. Let's look at standard objects using the example of lead, account, contact, and opportunity. The lead object is used to track potential customers who have shown interest in your products or services but have not yet become customers. In the lead object, you can store information about the contact details, needs, and status of potential customers. Lead allows you to effectively manage the process of converting potential customers into real customers. In Salesforce, leads can be converted into accounts, contacts, and opportunities. The account object represents a company, organization, or individual client with whom you have a business relationship. In the account object, you can store information about the company name, address, contact persons, interaction history, and other related data. The account object helps you centrally manage information about your customers and maintain an up-to-date history of interaction with them. The contact object contains information about a specific contact person associated with a company or organization. In the contact object, you can store data about the name, job title, contact details, and other information about the contact person. Contact allows you to effectively manage information about relationships and communication with individuals within your client organizations. The opportunity object reflects a potential sale or deal with a customer. Here you can store information about products or services, the stage of sales, the probability of closing a deal, and other related data. Opportunity provides you with the tools to manage and track the sales process as well as predict the revenue and performance of your sales team. Shortly, we will release a separate video about each of these standard objects, so don't get lost. Now, a little bit about custom objects. Custom objects in Salesforce are like tailor-made containers for your unique business data. They let you create new kinds of records specific to your company's needs, introducing flexibility beyond what standard Salesforce objects provide. What's good about custom objects? 1. They allow you to customize and adapt data and processes to the unique requirements of your company. 2. They can be linked to other objects to create complex relationships and layers of data. 3. Custom objects provide more flexible reporting and analysis capabilities. However, custom objects have several disadvantages. First of all, creating and configuring them takes time and effort. Secondly, integration with other Salesforce features may require additional configuration and development. And finally, users may need training to work with custom objects. Now, I'll show you one of the examples of a custom object. Let's consider a business scenario based on an invoice. Basically, an invoice is an official document issued by the seller to the customer to request payment for goods or services. It contains information about the payment amount, detail of goods or services, identification data of the seller and the buyer, as well as other related information. Now, let's create a custom invoice object together. You need to click the gear button and click Setup. Here you need to open Object Manager. Then click Create, choose Custom Object. For the label, I'll choose Invoice. As plural label, Invoices. And let's also set up the format of the invoice name, like auto number, and display format as custom, and start with 1. This feature will create unique names for invoices automatically, and it can be very helpful. For example, I'll allow reporting, activate field history, and allow search, add a related list with files from the start, and launch a new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object. Click Save. Setup tab opened, and here you can set up the style for the new tab. Let's choose 1. Click Next button. Here you can set up profile visibility. Then choose apps for which the new custom tab will be available. Let's leave as default. So, here object setup page opened. At first, we need to link our invoice object with an object from our business scenario. For example, you would like to create invoices after the deal was closed and send them to clients. And the best way here is to connect invoice with opportunity. Let's set up this relationship. We are going to Fields and Relationships tab and click New button. Here we need to choose the field type. Let's choose Master Detail Relationship. Then select Opportunity as the other object to which the invoice object is related. The label and name I'll leave as it was preset. Click Next button. The same with field level security. These are the page layout that will include this field. Because this is a master detail relationship, this field is required. And it will be on all available opportunity layouts. So I will save this relationship and I'm going to create some additional fields in the background. For example, status, invoice date, subtotal, tax, total, and setup layout to show you created objects view. Now, when everything was set up, I've returned to application and you can see that the Invoices tab that we set up earlier appeared. Let's open it. Here I'm going to click New to create invoice. Let's choose Opportunity, set the invoice date, choose Draft as status, then fill subtotal and tax, and click Save. That's it, our new custom invoice record. Also, you can see the total, which is the sum of subtotal and tax. And also we see a section for files. Well, I suppose my video shed some light on Salesforce objects. Don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe. And if you need some Salesforce customization, reach ENWAY. The link is below. Till the next video, bye!